What exactly are you going to be trading? Okay, what exactly are we going to be doing that will make us this 5,000 or 10,000 naira every day? Will I need to be bringing people? Will I need to network or reach somebody? Do I need to bring in anybody? Do I need to pay any money to anybody? Now, all these questions I would like to answer in this video. My name is Faith Onoshiga and I am TMNmedia, and I want to share with you how you can start making 5 to 10,000 naira every day. Now, but first, before I go into the details and before I show you the other videos you need to watch, now I need to explain to you what this is all about. Now, this is not a gambling opportunity. No, this is not a pre-assumption opportunity that will it work, will it not work. I have been trading binary options since 2014. Hey, you want to find out more about me? Go on my Facebook page, you get to see. My name is Onoshiga, so Google it, or you go to Facebook and find out. You get to see, have been talking about trading options for a long time. Now, those days I could turn $10 to $100. Are you getting it? That's how I was trading. So I used to trade a lot. Trading IQ options, trading then option 24, and so many more options that are available. Now, what is binary options? What is this digital trading all about? Is it Forex you are talking about? No. It's not Forex I'm talking about, but it's similar to Forex. Why is it similar to Forex? Because you can actually trade Forex inside a digital option, all right? Now, a binary option trading is a platform that is just like Olympics, okay? In Olympics, you have different people come to compete for different sports. The boxers are there, swimmers, the javelin, long jump, boxing, runners. Everybody is there to compete, right? But they are all competing for gold medal in their own field, right? Now, there is an event that hosts all of them together. It's called the Olympics. Now, the Olympics is international. A football match can just be a continent base or a country base. But you see, if you play football match in Olympics, it's an international event. You are known globally, all over the world, all right? Now, that's the same way binary is. Binary is more of like a global village that allows you to trade the general market, the private market, the private sector, whatever. Everything is available on the binary market. Some of them are available for weekly trading. Some of them are available for monthly trading. If you can see on the screen, I'm showing you binary web page. That is the page where we trade, all right? This is the page where we trade, and you can see they have different markets, all right? They have Forex, they have commodity, gold, they have different sort of markets that are available for trading. So these are general markets that anybody can decide to major on any one of them and trade. Now, the major thing about all these opportunities are that some of them are available only weekdays, while some of them are available all the time. Now, some of these brokers also, you see, they create their own market that they can control. That's why you go here in digital option world, over the counter. Now, any over the counter market is just like having the original one, but when it is weekend, they switch to the virtual one. All right, there is original one, then there is virtual one. Now, the virtual one allows you to continue trading the original. Now, this is common in binary world. Why? It allows flexibility and allow people to continue participating in the same market. Okay? Now, I need you to understand, how will this thing make you money? Okay? Now, how does it make me money? In a simple video you are seeing on the screen right now, you see me trying to place a trade that it is going down, and it went down, and I make certain profits. That is how you make money. If you predict the market is going up and it goes up according to your prediction, you will be in profit. If you predict the market is going down and it's coming down, and according to your prediction, you will be in profit. But if you predict the market is going up and it later went down and it did not go up, you will be in losses. So in every business, there is always profit and losses, okay? There is always right and wrong. You will not always be right. And the market will not continue to go the same way forever. No, because it has been going on for the 30, 40 minutes does not mean it's going to forever remain in the same direction. That's why you need the technical know-how. Now, I'm not going to be teaching you about how to read charts, how to read all that. You don't need all that. Now, we are coming to the shortcut. The shortcut is where we are going straight. Where is the shortcut? Okay, since it's all about predicting the direction is going up, it's coming down, is there a way I can get to know when it is going up and when it is going down? So when that I know it's going down, I can just immediately enter the trade that is going to go down and make my profit. Okay? So I have a strategy that I've been using to trade over the years. So I've been able to, automate this strategy into signal setups that I can come immediately. The opportunity is cited, it comes, and then I take it. It comes, and then I take it. So over the years I've been trading with this, I had to prove it's working, I have to prove it's stable, and it's established. So I have been trading over the years with these things, okay? But I decided, all right, other people should be able to also trade about it. It's not just me about teaching them how to use the strategy that I use, but also can they also have the signal? Because the signal makes it a lot easier for you to trade. You don't have to do any work looking for it. When it's available, it shows up, you trade it. So watch any of my video on my YouTube channel, you'll see how I trade. I'll tell you, I'm coming back, I want to go and get signal. When I get the signal is an opportunity to trade in a particular direction, be it up or down. Now, in trading world, there is only two directions. Okay, there is no middle ground. It's either it's going up or it's coming down. Now, I love trading one particular direction, down. It's easier for the market to always go down than go up, all right? Even while it's going up, it's going to come down, all right? So it's what I love and I prefer, and I've been using it for a long time, and it's been working. Now, it's the same opportunity I provide for other people. Can you get a signal directing you that this market is going down, and you place your trade based on the direction going down, and when it goes down, you win and you get your profit? This is digital trading, okay? Do you get to win all time? No. But you see, you're going to win most of the time. That is going to help you at the end of the day, you'll be in profit. And then the problem with a lot of people is that they don't know when to stop. So all these things I'm going to be teaching you in some of the free videos that you have available lined up. You're going to go through them part by part. So this is the first beginning, the introduction, part 1 of the video. What is it all about? I'm teaching you and showing you, sharing with you what this is and what it's not. It is not gambling, all right? It's not a ujet. Oh, it will win, it will not go, it will go up, it will not go up. You don't have basis for your justification. I have basis for my justification. It's based on the movement of the previous directions, okay? And then I have a trading signal, low, and high, okay? That's my logo. That's what I trade. That's what the strategy is all about. So I trade every low and every high that can give me the opportunity based on my formation. Once they meet my formation and requirement, I'm good to trade them. That's the same signal you're going to be receiving. How to trade it, entering it, getting your profit, and getting out. Now, how do you get to make 10,000, 5,000 naira with this thing? I'll also get to show you. There is a business plan towards it. There is a process and step-by-step process how you are going to go about this thing step by step. But I need you to pay attention to every detail you are going to be hearing from me, okay? The first step you need to do is this, okay? Right now you need to understand what this is all about and what the requirements are. Number 1, you need a mobile phone. A good mobile phone. Number 2, you need a mobile phone with good internet. Phone with internet. So your internet has to be good, all right? Number 3, you need 1 hour every day. You need 1 hour every day. Number 4, You need trading capital, okay? A little amount you can get started with.
Here are some results.
Number 5, you need to follow the guides I'm going to be providing for you. Now, these guides have been carefully prepared to help you. Why am I doing this for free? Now, you're going to be getting free signal from my signal service. I have mobile application and I also have a web application you can sign up on and subscribe to. Now, it's a premium subscription, you get to subscribe. But I'm going to be creating a special and specific subscription service for you guys, all right, whereby you're going to have a whole full month, all right, to test and to see if truly you can make $10 or not, if you can make 5,000 naira every day or not. Now, the good thing about this is that you have nothing to worry about. You're not paying a dime, okay? At most, if you now want to pay, you're only gonna pay 200 naira. Yeah, 200 naira. Now, the reason why you're paying 200 naira is because a lot of people don't value free stuff. So I don't give free stuff. It's free. The same thing you're getting, people pay 16,400 to subscribe, but you're getting it at 200 naira for a full month with full detailed step-by-step free training how to make it work. Now, my training majorly is like 60,000 if anybody wants to come and learn how this works. But you're getting it all for free. You're not doing any heavy work. You're not doing heavy stuff. All you need to do is prepare yourself with all the requirements I made mention of, your mobile phone with internet access, 1 hour free time. Free time. Then your trading capital. But first, you're not wasting or wasting any money. Oh, you say, how much do I need? You don't need much money. Oh, you don't need much money. You can start with as low as $50 or even as low as $30. You don't need big money to get started. Hey, you don't. You just need to first test, prove to yourself that it works, build your confidence, repeat it day after day, testing with demo, and then when you're good to go, you're ready to launch into the real world. Now you can start using it in reality to make money. All right? So this is what I've been using for years to make money. But I've been privileged to make it into signals over the years, but I felt like the need to make more people to be able to use this to their own benefit. Now, it's going to make you money. Okay? I can guarantee you that. I make money with this thing every day. Now, I also have provision for robots. Now, you see the same signals you're going to be trading. I have robots trading them. Now, I don't have to be doing the thing. Can robot be doing just those three? It's just to press enter, exit at the right time. Now, I have robots that are also trading that. But I'm not here to talk about all that to you. I'm talking about opportunity for you to start making the money. Okay, so all the things, getting all the things, do you have all these things ready? If you have all these things ready, then you are ready for the next video. Now, the next video is going to be explaining to you step by step the things you need to get done. All right, the first thing you need to do is to create a demo account. All right, you create a demo account on our trading platform. Remember, I told you we trade on a platform which I've shown you, which is binary.com, deriv.com. It's the same website. Now, it provides us an opportunity to trade. You're also going to be getting to know the trading method that we use. Why are we trading touch? Why are we not trading rise and fall? Why are we trading a particular way? Why not trade generally? Can this also be used for other platforms? All these and many more you get in the next video. God bless you. See you in the next video. Hey, get your requirement ready. Get ready to make money. God bless. See you in the